Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Early in the Morning. It is a one-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along to the music, watch till the end. So are you ready? Let's go. So turn my back to you. So the dance starts right, left, right, left, left. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, left. So you're kind of just moving in place, okay? And moving your feet. Right, left, right, left, left. Okay, now the last step was on the left. So we're going to rock up and recover on the right. Rock up, recover. So we rock forward on the right and recover on the left. Then we tap back. Right, left, coaster step. Okay, so we rock up, recover, tap right, tap left, and a right coaster step. So it's almost like a quick step. Right, right. So rock up, recover, tap right, tap left, and rock back, recover, which is a coaster step. So we go 1, 2, tap 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's put that together from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6 on the right. Right, left, left. Rock up, recover, tap right, tap left, rock back, recover. So we went right. So the last step was on the right. Now we're going to kick on the left. Kick left and kick right. And you can move up with that, okay? So kick left, kick right. And we're going to pivot and pivot. So we do a full pivot. Step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. And that's on the left. So we kick left and we pivot left. Because we went kick left, kick right, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. All right? Now, if you don't want to turn, just rock up and rock back. So rock left, right. So do a left rocking chair if you don't want to pivot around, okay? All right, let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left. Rock up, recover, tap right, tap left, rock back, recover. And then do that again. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left. Rock up, recover, tap right, tap left with a coaster step. Kick left, kick right, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. All right, so let's put the count to it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the next step we're going to do, we're going to shuffle to the left. Left, left, rock back, recover, right, left. So we're gonna do a quick step and we go back to the right. So we go left, left, right, left, left. Left, left. We're gonna do a quick step because we need to be back with our weight on the left and start the dance over. So you go left, right, left, right, left, left. Left, right, left, right, left, left, and start over. So we doing the same thing that we do on the left, we doing on the right. But we just doing a quick step, which is a coaster step when we go on the right. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We just doing it fast. And that's the dance. So let's put it together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up and cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a coaster step. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up and cover. 1, 2, back. 3, 4, 5, 6 with a coaster step. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Right. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. All right, that's early in the morning. It is a one-wall dance. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.